Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. Just been out in the 410 bus, just a flying visit to Norwood Lake. Had to hack a portal and deploy a few resonators to, fill the gaps that have been knocked off or died due to lack of charge. Anyway, up at Chainsaw Wall, and I thought that I'll just check it out, and there is 3 pieces here. 2 of my chrome dubs with funky 3D, and there's another one in the corner that is quite interesting. But I'm not sticking around. I'm gonna go back to the gaff, to Esma Florine, because I need to spend some time with her. I've been at the flat in Addiscombe with the mummy cat and the kittens, so I've got something in the oven and I'm going to basically heat that up. Anyway, I'm going to turn it round because I've only got 3 minutes on this bloody thing. Typical. H-E-Y-S, I think it is, Hayes, I'm not sure. I can't. I've got to just get on with it. Swell. And we'll end on this one. We'll spend more time on this. Bowser and Mario. OWE. O, is it? 01. 01 has been here. 01. And I think we're gonna wait for the phone to cut itself off. This is the main piece today at Chainsaw Wall. 01. Swell. And Hayes, I think it is. Just look back in the video if you want to spend longer on them. Got limited room. Bowser and Mario.